hazardous area joint kits should be used if you have a requirement for your cable jointing solution to be flame retardant, halogen free or hydrocarbon resistant. 3M have been supplying cable accessories and resin for use in hazardous areas for more than 25 years and have carried out extensive research into the effects of hydrocarbons and chemical solvents on resin encapsulants. Our products have been successfully installed in areas such as mines and quarries, underground applications, petrochemical sites and offshore areas where there's a risk of flame or explosion. The specialised joint shell, which is flame retardant, hydrocarbon resistant and halogen free, is filled with a polyurethane resin, 3M reference 1402FR, which has been highly modified by the inclusion of various chemical additives. These additives make the resin flame retardant, halogen free and virtually unaffected by immersion in either hydrocarbons or chemical solvents.